Listen up. What if you had the power to create stunning visuals, logos, graphics, and ads that demand attention, all in seconds? With Artistly, that's not just possible, it's effortless. This isn't just another design tool, it's light years ahead of the competition. Let's start with the unlimited AI text-to-image generator. Simply type in a prompt, and Artistly delivers professional quality visuals, logos, banners, ads, no manual editing, no hassle, fully automated with AI. Need to recreate an image or ad you love but make it your own? That's where Mirror Magic Image Redesigner shines. Upload an image, and Artistly generates a brand new version with perfect text, colors, and layouts, all fully unique and copyright protected. What about boring backgrounds? Replace background instantly in any image with the Instant Scene background editor. Transform a dull backdrop into a serene beach or vibrant cityscape with AI that handles lighting, shadows, and reflections seamlessly.